PMT function. So you're going to start from equals always minus PMT. Why? Because as a default, PMT will return negative. So what people do is usually enter minus in the beginning of a PMT function, or you can just multiply by negative at the end. Either way will work. So what I'm going to enter is I'm going to enter D7, which is the interest rate for the Amerisbank, right? 5.5%. Then you divide by 12. Why? Because we are doing monthly payment. If you're doing monthly payment, you need to divide the interest rate by 12. Okay, so that's the point here. However, I think I made a mistake here. If you took BUSA 2010, which is a microcomputer application, which is Excel, you know how to use, you suppose know how to use $sign for what we call absolute cell reference, so that column D will fix as you copy to other cell. However, 7, which is row number 7, will remain relative, meaning that it's going to go up to 8, 9, 10 as you copy further down. All right, so if you don't understand absolute cell reference, you can always look for help on Excel. Then comma, then I'm going to enter the total number period, which is 36. So, however, we don't enter raw number, right? In Excel, you always try to use cell reference, which is in this case F6. 36 is located in F6, right? So rather than just type it in, you better just click the cell, right? Because you always chance you're gonna make a mistake. Again, I'm gonna need to enter $sign to 6, so that 6 would not change to 7, 8, 9 as you copy to other cells. However, F will be changing to G, H, I, whatever those next cell that you're going to copy to, right? Anyway, F6, which is 36, comma, then you're going to enter the present value or loan amount. In this case, automobile price, which is located in C4. So C4 also must be fixed. So I entered $sign to C and 4. So that's what I have. And I'll have $1,204 and change. That's the monthly payment for 36 months. Then all I have to do is just autofill, right? Autofill go downwards. Then once you have that downwards, then I'm going to just autofill to the sideways. However, there's, always chance you could make a mistake. So I'm going to just manually check whether I have the correct formula. So D7, divided by 12, and G6, which is 48 month, C4, which is the car price. It looks like fine. Okay, so that's the first section of our calculation. Okay, second calculation, while looking is I set up for lowest monthly payment. So among those 9 different scenarios, which one has the lowest amount? Right there, right? 715 for SunTrust, because it's got 60-month period of loan. Right? So that's what I pick up here. And idea is I want to increase the loan period by 1 year, which is 12 months, right? So that'll give us 72 months. So using this new scenario, I'm gonna find monthly payment using PMT again. So start with equals minus PMT interest rate divided by 12, right? So that will give you our first variable. The second variable after comma will be number of period. I mean number of month in this case, which is 72, right? So I'm going to just click that, comma. Then automobile price, which is located in C4. That's it. So this is the new monthly payment, assuming you're going to increase the loan period by 1 year. Then you're going to ending up paying $604 instead of $750. Right? A little bit more than $100 you can save by increasing 1 year. So that's what we're looking at right there. All right, so next steps that we need to go through is we're going to locate again, this time, the highest monthly payment. In my case, the highest monthly payment is located actually right there, right? Right, 1,200. So I think there's a typo. 1,204.82 for 36 months. Okay, so with that, what we're trying to do is next, we're going to find total amount paid for the loan. So how are we going to find it? Right there. So you take the monthly payment, which is the 36 months for Ameris Bank, then, excuse me, multiply by 36, which is located in F6, right? So that's what we have. So that'll give us total amount paid for the loan. And the other item that we need to do is we are interested to finding difference between the total amount you're supposed to pay and loan amount. The initial loan amount was $39,900, right? However, you're ending up paying $43,373. So a lot of interest involved. It could be charges if it's actual, or different scenario. But anyway, we're going to assume the difference is just interest. So what we're going to do is just take this, take this and subtract from the total amount. So that's why we have B15 minus C4. B15 is right there, the total amount we found, and automobile price is right there. So that's why you got $3,473. That's the difference between these two numbers, right? And there's one more thing we need to do. Now, we know the interest amount you're supposed to pay is $3,473, but we want to confirm this. Okay, there's such, again, always chance you're going to make a mistake, especially in the spreadsheets, right? So to confirm this number, we decided to use a Excel function, which is CUMI-PMT, cumulative interest payment. So CUMI-PMT. So as you can see, starting from CUMI-PMT with a minus, right? Minus CUMI-PMT, and first variable will be almost same as PMT function. Okay, and so we're starting with the D7, which is the interest rate, and divided by 12, comma, F6, which is total month, right there, and C4, which is the automobile price or loan amount. Then it's interesting, there's three variables after automobile price, something new. First one is the first period of this loan scenario, which is number 1, right? Starting with 1 through 36 months, right? So that's why you have 1 and 36 indicating first period, 36 indicating the last period. Okay, comma 0. You enter 0 for the beginning of the month, and enter 1 for the end of month for the payment. So we enter 0, assuming the first of the month. Then you press enter, and you got $3,473, which is exactly the same as the difference between total amount and car price. So now we can confirm this amount is correct. And the other one, which is the lowest monthly payment we found, which is $715, is coming from here. That's exactly the same step. You find total amount paid, which is 715 times 60. So that'll give us $42,910. Then again, you're going to find the difference between this amount and automobile price. So if you found that, then using CUMI PMT, I want to confirm whether this interest paid we just found is correct. Okay, so that's basically what we have. And no, I went through pretty quick, but if you have any questions, let me know.